I received the email from the Philippine Red Cross confirming that I was tested positive with COVID-19. Hindi siya madali. Okay, so this is the second day since I received the email from the Philippine Red Cross confirming that I was tested positive with COVID-19. Hindi siya madali. Hindi siya madali kasi alam mo yung mental torture na biglang maiisip mo na pwede ka palang mawala anytime. I have my 3 kids with me. And yung maiisip mo na pati sila pwede mo mahawak. Noong July 29, actually today is 30, so kahapon lang yun, I received the email from the Philippine Red Cross na yun na nga confirming me that I was tested positive with COVID-19. Hindi na ako nagtanong actually. Hindi ko na question si Lord. Ang sabi ko lang, Lord, you heal me. Heal me from this. Kapag pala dumating yung time na you are already in this situation, yung hindi ka na magko-question, ang sasabihin mo na lang, Lord, grant me your healing. Grant me your healing. Save my family. Save my kids. Save my children. Yun na lang. Yun na lang talaga. If I have to be asked, ayoko nang mag-contact trace. Ayoko nang isipin kung kanino ko nakuha, saan ako nagpunta. Kasi, ang gusto ko na lang isipin ngayon is, I want to get through with this. I want to be healed. I want this to come to pass. Alam mo yung, ang bigat-bigat kasi sa dibdib mo na maaring lumala pa ito, maaring magkaroon ka pa ng mas magrabing symptoms. But to be fair, I thank God kasi as of now, since the day I was tested positive, I am already strong. I am already healthy. Sinasabi ko to because siguro kung napanood nyo yung video ko before, I think 2 weeks ago when I was telling you guys na I am not okay, little bit okay, I got sick, but it only lasted for a week. 1 week lang, and after that, wala na akong naramdaman. Kaya, hindi ko lubos maisip na 2 weeks ago pa yon. So, hindi ko lubos maisip na bakit nung 29, nag-positive pa ako. So, I really don't know how I got. Baka nung nagkasakit ako, talagang wala pa akong virus noon. Baka later na lang. Basta ang gusto ko lang ngayon, at ang, my prayer is that no more symptoms will ever occur in me para ma-enjoy ko pa yung buhay ko with you guys, with my family, of course. And I want to spend more time to, to serve God, to do my work. I wanna spend a longer life. So, ang pinagpapasalamat ko kay Lord is, at present, wala akong nararamdaman, wala akong fever, cough, or colds, wala akong flu. I don't feel anything on my body except yung parang lesser lang yung panlasa ko at lesser lang yung pang-amoy ko. But hindi naman siya totally and completely no sense of taste and no sense of smell at all. I thank God na yun na lang yung symptoms na nasa akin, and I'm already recovering from that. Bumabalik na yung panlasa ko, yung pang-amoy ko, and I thank God. Kaya malaking bagay yung wala kang nararamdamang grabing symptoms. Kasi kung naiisip mo yung ang daming rin-rush sa hospital, yung mga COVID na hindi na nagsosurvive, sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko pang mabuhay ng mahaba. And I want to fulfill my calling. I want to take care of my family, especially my children. I want to see them grow. Gusto kong makita sila na magkapamilya. Alam mo yun, yung pag ganito palang may sakit ka, marami kang gustong gawin, biglang maiisip mo yung mga gusto mong gawin at dapat mong gawin sa buhay. Tapos kung yung pala yung kapag halimbawang nagkasakit ka, maiisip mo lahat. Kaya nga, it's a lesson to me na while we are all healthy, kailangan gawin na natin kung ano ang mabuti, kung ano ang nararapat para sa pamilya, kung ano ang what pleases God. Importante din yun na gawin natin kung ano yung kaya-aya sa Panginoon para if God sees our sincerity, if God sees our heart, if God sees our good doings, the more that He's going to bless us with a longer life. Yun na lang yung iniisip ko talaga. Tsaka, yun na yung nagpapatibay ng damdamin ko today. Kasi nga, hindi natin to dapat linalang lang. Kasi anything can happen from this day onwards. But, ang prayer ko is, Lord, grant me your healing. Give me more chance, give me an opportunity to be an inspiration to other people, to take care of my children. Yun na lang. Yun na lang, guys.